welcome back to today's video. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Dominique and I upload videos every day about business, mindset, law of attraction, manifestation, and so much more. So if that's your type of thing, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss an upload. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about somebody that I've been following on Instagram for a really long time. And I have seen a huge growth in her business and just her Instagram, just her all around her social media and her content, okay? We are talking about Ming Lee. Majority of my followers on here definitely have a business, but majority of them have hair business. Go ahead and thumbs up this video if you have a hair business, starting a hair business, interested in starting a hair business. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay. If you don't know who Ming Lee is, Snob Life, and you have a hair business, you need to start completely all over, okay? No. But for real, she is, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to just the hair business and how to market it, hands down, I have not seen anyone market the way that she markets here on YouTube and Instagram. Now, I'm going to give you, okay, 5 things that I absolutely love about Ming, and that is when it comes to her marketing. Now, I don't know her personally or anything like that, but when it comes to this marketing and really taking her business and her brand to the next level, she's definitely got that on lock. And this is what I'm talking about when I talked about my Instagram, how to grow your Instagram. Go follow people that is in the same business as you are and get inspired by what they're doing. And I say copy, inspire. Get inspired by their marketing, by their campaigns, and put your own little twist on it, because obviously if they're running a successful business, they know something that you may not know right now. So go, and this is somebody that I watch, I look at, and I get inspired to really up my brand every time she comes out with something new. Okay, so I'm going to give you my five. There's a couple more, but I'm going to give you my 5 things that we can learn from Miss Ming Lee, okay? Okay, number one is that she is not afraid to collab whatsoever. Okay, so I now see her collabing a lot with hairstylists, makeup artists, because she is definitely out more than what she used to be. And I know, you know, she had a baby and all that stuff, but she is not afraid to collab with different people. Now, the person that I see her often collabing with now at this present time, his name is Tokyo, I believe. I'll leave his information right here on the side or linked in the description below. But you know, he's a really good hairstylist. He has a following. Usually her makeup artist has a cool following. So when she's collabing, that's all marketing, you know what I mean? Like, she's posting on her Instagram, they're posting on their Instagram, and then she's getting followers, they're getting followers. So it's all about collabing and really putting yourself out there. Alright, so it came to the point of the video where I want you to leave a comment. So if you are new here, I want you to introduce yourself. Let me know your name, where you're from. Leave your Instagram in the comments below. So I'm going to leave my Instagram pinned in the comments below and in the description box. So go ahead and click that link. The person, like her hairstylist, I believe he sells hair as well. So she knows that what's for her is for her, and that it's not going to take anything away from what she's doing. So she would collab with people that is in the same industry as she's in. So that's one thing I really dig about her. So she's able to still collab with people and still continue to build her following, her brand, and everything. So collabing is number 1. All right, number 2. So the second thing that I really love about her, and you know, this could be number 1 or whatever the case may be, but her marketing, let me tell you something. Her marketing, hands down, the best that I have seen. I was part of her Facebook group where she was going over her marketing. I sometimes catch her live, her come to work with me. She's constantly looking for new apps, for new ways to market her business. How in her Facebook group, I don't think she really posted it often, but her Facebook group, she was giving tips on apps to use on Shopify. And it was new, and I'm pretty good at finding apps and, you know, different ways to market my business through apps. But there were a few apps that I didn't even know about that she was giving, you know, knowledge on. And just her way of marketing, she knows her target audience, and that is so important. I'm going to actually do a video on how to really find your target audience. She knows who her target audience is, and she is marketing to them every time she posts on her social media. And that's one thing like I dig about it. Like, you know, by looking at her Instagrams who her target audience is. Like, it's no guessing. And that leads us to the third thing, is her branding. Okay, marketing and branding, two different things. Branding is locked down. Like, she continues to just level up when it comes to her branding. You know her brand when you see it. The lettering, the colors, just the way that she market. And she's been in business for a while, so I'm sure she changed some stuff here and there, but her branding almost stays the same. Like, it stays consistent in her vision. Like, her branding makes you feel youthful. Like, you know exactly who she's targeting when it comes to her brand. It's just clear. It's clear. And that's something that we need to take from her, is make sure you have a clear vision on who you want to market to. Because somebody should land on your business page and know exactly, okay, this is for me. Oh, my sister will love this. Oh, my, you know, cousin will love this page. Let me send it to them. You know, whatever. Your page, your Instagram, your website. Oh, and that's another thing. From her Instagram to her website to her YouTube, like, it all goes together. Like, all of her branding, it goes together. And she just, you could tell, like, it's just her, you know. So that's one thing that we could take from it, making sure that when it comes to branding, when people land on your page, they know exactly that it's for them. They know exactly what to expect from you. Her marketing and branding is so on point. Like, she reminds me of Candy from Atlanta Housewives, okay? You know how Candy would take any situation and make it a money situation, and she will just, you know, turn it into a business or whatever the case. I feel like that's how Ming is. Like, she is able to turn any situation into a campaign, okay? Her last campaign was on fire, the outside campaign, and then this whole coronavirus happened and we all had to stay in. And so she made a whole new campaign about staying in. She would drop a playlist for you. She will go live, and that's just one thing. Like, her ability to be connected with her followers and have them so interested in what she's doing is on point. Like, we need to definitely take notes when it comes to that, because her campaign, her marketing, her branding, boom, fire. So branding will be number 3. So the fourth thing is going to be her consistency. She is so consistent when it comes to her brand. Like, you could tell somebody when they're loyal to their brand, because she is posting, she's going on Instagram Live, she's uploading videos just so you could be a part of what she's doing. And she's posting, I mean, now more than ever, you could just tell that she's more involved growing her business. I'm pretty sure she's always been involved, but you could tell right now, like, she's on it. Like, she's not letting up whatsoever. Whatever situation that she went through, she's definitely making campaigns about it. Okay, she is marketing. She's making a situation that was probably not so great into a situation that's going to pay her. So her consistency is fire. Like, she's always dropping, you know, posting all the time, at least 3 posts. Every time I go on my Instagram, it seems like there's a new post from her, which is good, because you're not going to forget about her brand, that she's selling hair, that she's dropping a new campaign. Like, you're not going to forget about Snob Life and what she's doing, okay? So the 5th thing that I'm going to say that I have noticed that, you know, taking her business to the next level, and something that we can always learn, is her network, okay? Her network. She is going out I don't think she's going out now as much as she was, but she was always at an event. She was always going, you know, to LA or traveling or doing something. Like, she's always networking. She's always out doing her thing, not afraid to do that. I know that's something that I really want to do this year, is really get out into these events. I'm in California, so it's nothing for me to hit, you know, LA or the Bay Area when it comes to networking. And when you're out, you never know who you're going to meet. So going out, putting your brand out there, meeting new people, and just networking, and the girl does it, you know. So if you love this video, go ahead and check out this video right here and this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe over here, because I'm going to be throwing out content to you guys. So make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and make sure to leave your Instagram in the comments below. Alright, you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.